Today we're checking out the water pump designed for the 2011 to 2023 5.7 liter HEMI and 6.4 liter HEMI Challenger. If your factory water pump is failing, leaking, making noise, or you just want to replace it proactively before it becomes a problem, this OE Fit pump is a direct fit replacement that keeps your cooling system solid and reliable, so it's definitely worth checking out. The key feature of this pump is going to start with the OE Fit design, meaning it matches the factory specs in rotation direction and flow rate, so you don't have to upset the cooling balance when this is installed. It's made from heavy-duty aluminum, which helps the heat dissipate and resist corrosion over time. It's also going to come with a gasket and a coolant temperature sensor included, so you don't have to hunt for those or piece together the parts along the way. This pump supports standard volume flow, so it circulates coolant just like that factory unit. Because it's a direct bolt-on with no modifications required, you avoid the hassle of custom adapters or worrying about the fitment down the road. When it comes to the construction on this is made from cast aluminum housing, and that offers a good balance of strength and weight. The internal impeller and the bearings are manufactured to tight tolerances for smooth operation and to limit any premature wear. That aluminum is going to resist corrosion, which is crucial in a component that's constantly exposed to the coolant and temperature cycles. The included gasket is going to ensure a proper seal, and the coolant temperature sensor port is built into the unit, so you can get an integrated, clean package. All the hardware you need is included to make the install process clean and complete. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this is going to come in right around that $200 price range. Considering that it's an OE style direct fit replacement, it includes the hardware, the gasket, and the sensor. This is going to reduce the risk of any cooling issues down the road, so it is a fair value for the peace of mind and a healthy engine. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a full 3 out of 3 riches on the difficulty meter. And as far as the timing goes, you should set aside at least 1 hour to get this job done. It's going to be pretty straightforward. You just drain the coolant, remove the old pump. You're going to clean out that seal area where the gasket sits so that you can get a good seal on the new unit. And you're going to install the new pump with the gasket and the sensor. It's a bolt-on swap using factory mounting points, and it's not too complicated if you're confident in doing it. All right, well, that's going to wrap up our review of the water pump designed for the 2011 to 2023 5.7 liter HEMI and the 6.4 liter HEMI Challenger. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at American Muscle.